We all want to be perfect in some ways. Well, I think that it started in the school when we were children. We were students. We were taught by the parents and the teachers many a times that not to make mistakes to get the best of the marks. We tried to compete with each other, with our friends, probably to please the teachers and the parents. And then that continued with further expectations in the college and further and further. Friends, parents, strangers, boss, everyone expects something from us. Certain results, behavior, and reaction. Every other person is just trying to please the other person here. Everyone just thinks that this is the task, this is the duty. The employees think that they have to please the boss, the students think that they have to please the teachers, and so on. And then only we think that we can become proud of ourselves when we are able to please other person. Good evening, everyone. Dr. Gagandeep Porgulati, the side from Weaving Dreams. Let's talk about being perfect or progressing today. We need to understand that no one is perfect. We all are human beings, and human beings, of course, they make mistakes. This is what we are. What happens is normally we set the standards very high. And if we do not set the standards very high, then what happens? We do not try to work hard to attain them. At the same time, when we set the standards high, we strive for the progress, but then where does perfection go? Are we really scared to make a mistake? Are we really scared to try new things? Yes, many a times we are. We fail sometimes. But then, don't we learn from the mistakes or the failure? Next time, do we try to do a better version? Yes, we do. Well, I think it's never a waste of time if we learn from our failures. Changing the method but not the goal. Then only we can call it self development, self awareness that helps us to learn from our mistakes and then set the right direction. We should be able to be proud of our strengths. There are people who will point our weaknesses, definitely for sure, but then we have to be confident enough. Many people wait for the perfect moment to start. The truth is that there's never a perfect moment. If you want to do something, do it now. Present. You should strive for improvement, growth, and understanding. Think big, think beyond yourself. Life is too short to settle for less. At the same time, if we talk about progress surely allows us to get to somewhere. Just imagine yourself running in a race you all must have done when you were in the school, and the students who are watching this, you must be doing this right now also while you are studying. Now, if the finishing line keeps on moving away, you are not making any progress. Eventually, you will tire out knowing you will never reach the moving finish line. Am I right? Yes. Making perfection your standard is like running towards a moving finishing line. You'll never get there. Instead, if you are running towards a fixed finish line, each stride allows you to make progress. Even if you fall down and get up back, running again, you are still making progress. Moving slow is definitely better than being stuck somewhere. What is progress? It's about comparing your present self with your past version, hoping that you have improved. Many times we compare ourselves to a standard of perfection that we may have loosely based on other people's lives. Probably we are trying to compare ourselves with someone. When we see the other women or the other men, our counterparts having better jobs, better amount of money, a better lifestyle, what do we normally say? I've seen actually the students saying like that. Yes, that's a perfect life to live. But then, Is it correct to compare yourself with others? Is it correct for yourself to set a standard seeing others' lifestyle? Do you think that would be correct? That way, when you are aiming for perfection, you can either get so paralyzed by the fear that you get stuck somewhere you are, or you run on a treadmill towards an unattainable, moving goal, never getting anywhere. But if we focus on progress and not perfection, then what happens? The outcome is actually the best. We focus on the journey, not the destination, as they say. We strive for improvement, learning, growth, and understanding. We strive for excellence and awesomeness, but still allow for imperfection. We should have some space for imperfection for sure. For the knowledge and comfort that even if we veer off the path for a bit, the path is still within our reach and we are still heading in the right direction. We keep making progress, we keep moving forward. We are human, we are imperfect, we should accept this. And that's actually what makes us unique. We just find the path again and keep moving forward. Pretty soon, that one small thing becomes a habit that becomes our lifestyle. And we are miles closer to that big picture goal that we have already set for ourselves. And once that first small thing becomes easy, we focus on the next task and the next change and further and further. Well, I would say that progress and not the perfection is the only way to bridge the gap between your ability and your ambition. Strive for progress, not perfection. When you focus too much on perfection, you start worrying at every step. Now your focus shifts to the possible criticism and failure from the other people. Then you become the roadblock of your own progress. But you strive for progress, you start to succeed further. Therefore, finally, I would like to say making mistakes is better than faking perfection. Making mistakes does not mean you are a failure, it only means you are trying and learning in life. So, when you make a mistake, learn to accept it and move on. Make a mistake, face a failure, and move on. As they say, perfectionism is not the quest for the best. It's a pursuit of the worst in ourselves. The part that tells us nothing we do will ever be good enough, that we should try harder. Therefore, keep on trying harder. There's no harm in making mistakes. There's no harm in being imperfect. But the best part is at least try to progress. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, share this with others. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Don't forget to hit the like button.